Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 16th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 0 stars Sudoku, Sudoku with 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And this one has 4 stars. And this one has a 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Taguza. Taguza. Yes, in Japanese, Taguza. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Well, why? Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And the first one I will solve is the Sudoku with 2 stars. A number 6932. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Usually the 2 stars puzzle has 26. This one has 29. Should be a 0 stars Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. Alright, but for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Otherwise, need to be faster than 15 minutes for a 0 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? Let me see which number can I pick. Well, 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 4. Well, 3. I'm thinking 1. Do we have a pair here? No. 5. 6. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in the second column, so no 6 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And we have a pair again. The 3 and the 4 in this row. The 3 and the 4 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 4. Now we have 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in the last row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay. Then 2 9. Then 2 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, I don't need to place level, the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the first column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8, alright. Then 2 and 9. 9, yeah. We have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah. 1 box left in the last row. For number, I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. And we have a pair, I believe. The 9 and 8 in the first column. The 9 and 8 in the second column. So in the third column, no need to place level 9 and 8. And 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no need to place level 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next to the last column. Don't need to place left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Yeah. Okay. And now we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, no need to place level, the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, don't need to place level, the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the second row. So third row, only 3 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. So the only place level, the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row, third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down need to place level, the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. How about the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. How about the 6 then? And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. How about the 1? 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 1 should be down. 1 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 1. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4, should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers. 3 and 8, I believe. Yeah, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this. Oh, no. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 5 goes there, 2 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1, the 2 is missing, yeah. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, should be an easy one. Not the 2 stars, but the 0 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.